Genre expository text. Rainforests by Nancy Smiler Levinson. Illustrated by Diane Dawson Hearn. A rainforest is a wet forest. It is thick with many kinds of trees and plants. Many animals live in it. Rain falls most of the year. Most rainforests grow in hot places near the equator. They are tropical rainforests. Some grow in cool places. They are temperate rainforests. Tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are hot and wet. How much rain falls every year? Between 80 and 200 inches. The temperatures stay almost the same every day. It is summer all the time. Tropical rainforests are jungles. They are filled with trees, plants, and vines. Thousands of kinds of animals live in them. One scientist found 43 kinds of insects on one tree. The world's largest tropical rainforest is in the Amazon region of South America. Emergent, harpy eagles, blue-headed parrots, ipe tree. Rainforests have 4 layers. Each layer has its own life forms. The top layer is called emergent. The emergent trees poke above the rest of the forest into the sunlight. Eagles and parrots live there. Kapok treetop. Red howler monkeys. The second layer is a closed canopy. It is a living roof that covers the forest below. It is formed by treetops that grow close together. Canopy. Scarlet macaws. Tyra. Monkeys eat berries and fruits. Butterflies and hummingbirds drink nectar from flowers. Big stinging wasps crawl across leaves. This is the most lively layer of all. Wasp. Orchid. Pygmy marmoset. Swallowtail hummingbird. Yoke butterfly. Squirrel monkey. Understory. Cannonball tree. Coatimundi. Bare-faced curassow. Collared puffbird. Passion flower vine. The third layer is the understory. It gets little sunlight. Sun cannot get through the canopy. Few flowers grow. Jaguars wait in trees to leap down and catch prey on the ground. Jaguar. Staghorn fern. Morpho butterfly. Palm fern. Forest floor. Hoatzin and baby. Moss. Green anaconda. Victoria Amazonia water lily. The fourth layer is the forest floor. It is dark and eerie. It is filled with plants, mosses, ferns, dead leaves, and billions of ants. Capybara. Ground fern. Apple snail. Cayman. Army ants march in swarms and eat everything in their paths. Termites live in colonies and eat wood. Deer and wild pigs are hard to see, but insects can be seen everywhere. Rocket deer. Saddleback caterpillar. Pink-toed tarantula. Heliconia. Stink beetle. Army ants. Termite nest. Tapir. Cocoa tree. Collared peccary. Wild ginger. Agouti. Harlequin beetle. Many animals live in the trees most of their lives. Some tree frogs never touch the ground. They have sticky toe pads to help them climb slippery leaves. Sloths hang upside down all the time, even when they eat and sleep. Three-toed sloth, eyelash viper, glass frog. Most plants need roots and soil to get water and food. Air plants do not. They grow on tree trunks and get water and food from the air. They are called epiphytes. Orchids and bromeliads are epiphytes. Capuchin monkey, gladiator tree frog. Temperate rainforests. Most temperate rainforests grow in the Pacific Northwest of North America. How much rain falls every year? About 100 inches. The seasons do change. Fog and mist from the Pacific Ocean bring warm summers and cool winters. Temperate rainforests have layers too, but they do not look like tropical rainforests. Sun rays shine down to the forest floor. Some trees are giant old growth trees. A Sitka spruce may be 1,000 years old. Northern spotted owl, Sitka spruce, bald eagle, mule deer, black bear cub, cougar. Tongass National Forest in Alaska is the largest temperate rainforest in the United States. Rainforests grow along the western side of the Olympic Peninsula in Washington state, too. Most animals, such as squirrels, elks, and porcupines, live on the forest floor. The Olympic forest is alive with plants, too. Raven, elk, bobcat, raccoon, skunk cabbage, devil's club, or